Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I have a fun little art journal piece. I had drawn this lady's face and hair and didn't quite know what I was going to do with it, walked away from it, and then I thought, well, I'll get out some of my Ferris wheel press bottled inks and my Gansai Tambi, not saying that correctly, but watercolors, and I'm just going to mix the two, and I believe I'm going to bring out some gold that I got in that Temu haul a little bit back in my channel. You can check that out. I have a whole haul playlist that you could check out if you are interested in that sort of thing. So I'm just kind of going in with some blobs, essentially, and trying to form the dress. I'm sort of going for a historical dress here, maybe late 1600s type of deal. It's not accurate by any stretch, but that's the sort of feel I was going for, I guess, if you want to think about it that way. So just going in and layering the different colors. So I've got like a brown with a little shimmer in it and a teal, and just kind of melding all those together. Do also want to take this opportunity to direct you to the description to check out the links that help support this channel and all the resources that you can find there. That would be great. And if you could hit a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel and hit that bell, that would be wonderful as well. YouTube will promote this video if people interact with it. That's how that works. The mysteries of YouTube and ever changing algorithms. Gotta love it. So going in, gave her some skin tone, at least similar to my own, and some brown hair. And again, going in as that other layer dried and giving some more layers there. Just trying to layer, layer, layer. That's what a lot of time art is. It's layering, layering, layering. And kind of like getting dressed. You have your undergarments, and then you have your clothes, and then you have your jackets and accessories. It's kind of that same way, layering up. So I love the colors in this, and I like that it's not super shapely, you know. Sometimes it's nice to just kind of freestyle it, and that's what art journaling is for. It's a great time to experiment and check out new techniques and play with your mediums and just, you know, kind of discover things so that you can use it in a piece later on. So going in again with more layering, and I like the gradation there that those colors are having with that bottled ink and the watercolors. And then I'm going in as that's dry with my waterproof pen and just kind of starting to give some more detail to the dress and kind of getting those high hip styles that they had there. Sort of messed up her collar. That's not quite what I was going for, but yeah, I gotta roll with it sometimes. It is what it is. So went in. I had fun drawing her though, adding some more hair details. And that black pen just kind of gives it a little bit of a pop. I believe I'm working in my Strathmore watercolor book here. It's like a 5x7. Which I love, and you can get them on Amazon, I think, on a subscribe and save. So last I checked, so they are, I think, great to use, and they're great to travel with as well. The paper is great quality. I think I gave her some blush in there. I think I missed that. And then I think for her lips, I bring in a colored pencil because I needed a little bit more specific fine point there. So redefining her eyes with a black pen. Yeah, she's fun. I don't know. I like how she turned out. A little bit of shimmery gold. Thanks, guys, for joining me. I hope you have a great day.